Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and here we are with the non-scheduled repairment of the TigerShark. Now, last week or 2 weeks ago, something like that, there were two pieces that broke. This wheel, roller wheel, actually the name is bearing wheel tube slotted, it is, and I actually bought the original. That you can find some of them on Amazon, some of them on eBay. On US it's easier to find them on Europe, but I did find a shop on France which has almost all the components, original components. I actually bought two side covers, original side covers, and that is it. So that's what we are going to replace today. Now, on the last maintenance we did replace one of these belts, and at this moment we are going to replace this, and of course the side cover, which is the most boring part, at least to me, that I'm doing right over here, but I will try to show as best as I can that it's very easy to solve. So if you are into that, let's go for it.
Make me feel like this. Mind you can't control, running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this.
There he is, working like a charm. Probably even better than before. No, I'm not really sure. But there are only two boring parts, which one is to put the side cover. Takes a little bit of effort to put it in, but it's like you seem possible. And then the other one is screwing back, which we have a small space to put our hands. So I did use that battery powered screwdriver, which helps. It's not strong enough to put the screws, but it has the force, and then I just need to screw it in, and that's it, and it's working great. And that is it. Here we are with the TigerShark on the background. I'm not even going to dry myself up. We are going to wrap up the video right over here. Guys, hopefully this video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual and very appreciated thumbs up right over here next to the TigerShark. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.